feel that?
My goodness!
You want to talk about it? Ha!
It's on! No feelings, logic only!
I don't think so! Love always wins!
Never!
No!
Take that, heart!
But I'm sad! So sad.
This couple is officially over. Done.
What? Ew! So over it! Independent woman coming through. Oh man! Was that my stomach? This Miley's gotta eat. Ooh, veggies. I'm in my healthy girl era. Seasoning, please. Uh-huh. That's right. The time has come. Hey, what the? You're getting very sleepy. Your saliva running like a river. Uh-huh. Focus on the sound of my voice. Get it? Yes. I must eat this onion. So big. Looking good, am I right? Oh, yeah. Mmm, so juicy. Yes, I'm in, baby! Let's do this! Huh? Who's there? Coming! Wait, is that?
Hey, babe.
Sorry, nobody's home! Ugh, who's that? Hello? Oh!
There you are. Look what I got you.
Oh, pretty! Bye! Oh, my breath! Gross! I need something minty. Yes! My gum! Whew, thank goodness. Fresh breath is on the way. Whoa! Huh? That's some stank! Still? I need more! Come on! Not enough! Whoa! Yuck! It's her! Say no more. You're no match for me. Anything? I need it all! I need backup. Let's go, girls! Well, how do you like that? Listen, I don't want any trouble. Yeah, that's right. You scared? Sorry! Get out of here! This is our turf now! Yep, minty fresh. Sorry to keep you waiting.
No prob. A kiss?
I don't know. No thanks. I'm good. Whew. Pretty flowers, though.
Are you sure?
Ugh!
Give me some sugar. Where is it?
No bus yet?
Wow. Need a seat?
Oh, sure. Thanks.
Yep, no problem.
The bus should be here soon.
Oh, I bet you're a little hungry. I am.
Wow! Thanks!
I thought you'd like that.
So sweet.
Hey, you good?
I don't know. Sweet explosion coming your way! Ow! My tooth! Ice, ice, baby!
Huh? What happened?
It's fine. Don't worry. Silly, silly Miley. So good. Ready for round 2? Oh no. So cold! It hurts so bad. It's too cold.
You can't bite it.
No?
Watch. Get it?
Flick it? Hey, that works.
Not my first rodeo.
Huh? Pow! Pow! Take that! No, I can't do this! I'm out!
But your ice cream! More for me.
Wow! This place is so beautiful! I bet the food is good here, too. Yes? Hello. I'll take 2 orders of fries, a burger, extra pickles, a salad with ranch dressing, and a big chocolate cookie. Oh, and some shrimp, too. I like extra cocktail sauce, please, and don't forget tons of cheese on everything. Do you have soup? I want 2 bowls. Seriously? I think that's enough. Hey! And hot sauce! Oh, who's this? Oh, give me a break. Not now, bro. Ooh, the food's coming! How'd you guess? Bon appetit! Wow, looks incredible! Not so fast. You said you wanted sauce. Enjoy your meal. Wow, so good! I gotta get one for the gram! Yes! Angles, baby! Yeah, you like that? A little seasoning never hurt anybody. Especially when it comes to pasta.
Oh, weird.
Much better. Yep. Minty fresh.
I know you love me.
Sauce time! The best part, of course. Make it rain!
Make it stop! My hair!
Nice! Now for the moment of truth. Not cool! Ugh. Oops. Unbelievable!
Sorry I'm late. These are for you. Hey, where are you going? Bummer.
I'm too nervous to kiss. Maybe with some practice? Uh-oh. Whoa, soft lips you got there. Your turn! Oh! Coming! Can I help you?
I'm just stopping by. Sorry.
Okay, come on in. It was nice of you to stop by.
Read the card.
Okay. Aw, you love me?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, wow! I can't wait anymore!
No, me neither.
Come here!
Oh, yeah.
Miley? Oh, love stinks. Oh, yeah?
Oh, it's no big deal. A little dirt never hurt anyone.
Let's go! Today, I'm gonna win. I can feel it. Okay, now focus. Focus! Don't you want me? I need fuel. Oh no! Wait! Stop! Ugh. Oh, so much dirt! Woohoo! Oh no, my cookie! Ugh, I can't eat this. What a ride! Ugh. Whoa, easy there! Jeez. All better. Now where was I? You won't believe the day I've had. And now I have homework. Homework? Yikes. That's right. Wanna help me out? I know you're super smart. Seriously? This super stinks. This had better not take long. Nice and smooth. Why are you going so slow? Nice. Ugh! Hey, what's going on here? I don't like this. What's wrong with this thing? 3, 4… Here, you do it. Fine. Yes, that's more like it. Look at this form. Alrighty, I'm done. Now I can handle this part. Is this dark enough for ya? There. Is that good? I like what I see. Back to what really matters. Okay. Yes, it's about to start! And a snack? Yeah, baby! Hello? Where's my drink? What the? Ew, this isn't food! Those hands are cold! Did she just say… Ugh! So annoying. Someone get this girl a plate! Wait. Yes! Huh? Oh, it's Mom. Mom? Oh, hello!
Don't forget to clean your room.
I won't.
Sweet girl.
Mom's gonna freak! I have to clean all this! Why do I eat like an animal? Ugh. Totally. Bye, girl. What exploded in here? Mom's gonna be so mad! Help me! You and your snacks. Slime to the rescue. Get it? It'll get all the crumbs for you. So dizzy! Whoa! It's so genius! I know. Good thing I like chips. Wow! All my crumbs! Hi, girls! Did you clean like I asked? All of that should be gone. Let's see. Huh. Oh boy. Good job. What are you watching? Aw! Fresh sushi? Let's do this thing! Chopsticks are ready! Hey, what was that? Oh well. Hello? I must be really hungry. What? Is someone there? Hey! Can I have some? Fine, but just one, okay? Cool. How do you use these things? Like this? Come and get it! If you can grab me. It keeps rolling around. That's right. Ha-ha! Not funny! Yeah, it is. Having trouble? I don't understand this. Ugh, whatever. You'll never catch me! No, stop! I'll be here all day. Why is this so difficult? It's really not. Just try harder. So good. Ooh, last one. Yum! Need this? Actually, yeah. Ah! Got it! Finally. It's so good, right? What was that? I don't see anything.